Hello everybody, today we are test driving 2018 Renault Master, which came in usual problems, ADblue DPF. The problems has been solved. Sir, what can you tell us about your van? How was it driving and how is it driving now? Are you happy?
Definitely I'm happy. First time the van is driving hard, that you need to press the pedal maximum to go. And now just I press it normally and it's more smooth. It's very nice.
Yes, more responsive?
It's more responsive, it's more better what it was before.
Can you see black or white smoke at all?
No, I don't see a black or smoke.
Are you happy finally?
Yes, I'm very happy.
Thank you very much. We have another happy customer from Moorhouse, or known as Supreme DPF Cleaning. We are located in Westerham, Kent. Our postcode is Tango, November 16 to Echo Tango. We shall be turning left, by the way. You can reach me on 07533636194 with your DPF, EGR, ADblue, NOx, power loss, high fuel consumption, black or white smoke issues, and we are certified diagnostic center and ECU programming, also Ghost Immobiliser Fitting Center. You can reach us all of these problems. We are the masters and we can solve your vehicle, so your car. Thanks for watching. Please click on like button and subscribe my channel for further more educational videos. Thank you.